In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language in Google AI Studio. By the end, you'll know exactly where this setting lives and how to update it quickly so the AI Studio interface reflects the language you prefer. First, open your browser and go to aistudio.google.com. This is where Google AI Studio lives. Take a quick look at which Google account you're using in the corner. AI Studio follows the language of your Google account, so it's important that you're on the right one. Keep this tab open so you can come back to it after updating the setting. Next, open a new tab and go to account.google.com. This is your Google account dashboard, and it's where the language preference is controlled. Think of it as a central place that many Google products, including AI Studio, reference for things like display language and regional formats. At the top of the Google account page, use the search bar and type the word language. This is the fastest way to jump straight to the correct setting without digging through multiple menus. You should see a result labeled language, or something similar within general preferences for the web. Click language to open your language settings. On this page, you'll see your current primary language. This is the language Google services use to display menus, notifications, and other interface text. If you're working across regions or collaborating with teams worldwide, choosing a language variant that matches your region can help with date formats and spelling conventions. Now change the language to the one you want. Select your preferred option from the list. If you see multiple variants, pick the one that best fits your needs, such as a specific country version. This helps ensure consistency across services. If you use languages that read right to left like Arabic or Hebrew, the interface will adjust layout accordingly once applied. Once you've made your choice, click Save. Give it a moment to confirm and check that your new selection is listed as the primary language. That's the signal that Google will begin applying it across supported products. Head back to your AI Studio tab. The interface should reflect your updated language for menus and general navigation. Some experimental features may still appear in English until localized, but the core UI will follow your new preference. If you ever want to switch back or try a different variant, just repeat this process. That's it. You visited AI Studio, opened your Google account page in a new tab, searched for language, clicked into the language settings, changed it, and saved. Simple, quick, and effective. Thanks for watching, and enjoy using Google AI Studio in the language that works best for you.